I don't believe that Jesus died and saved our sins, am I going to heaven?
But what is belief to you?
So belief's just believing that happened, right? It's just as simple as that. If you don't believe it, you're going to hell.
Is that what you get belief? Have you read the Gospels before?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you honestly believe that he's saying, just have this intellectual assent and grab this concept and
No,
you're going to hell. I think salvation is God reveals himself to different people in different ways. And it's not about your level of IQ. How God revealed himself to prostitutes through Jesus Christ in the Bible, how God revealed himself to pagan kings like Cyrus in the Bible, how God revealed himself to wealthy business women like Lydia in the Bible, how God revealed himself to the centurion who had to guard Paul, for example, this boisterous, intense centurion. He reveals himself to people of all different intellects, IQs, different hearts and how personalities and upbringings in different kinds of ways. And so nobody's going to be ripped off, especially if you go right to the cross.